The Medical Acupuncture and Dry Needling 5-day course is a continuous professional development course, a CPD course for therapists. So we take sport therapists, physiotherapists, osteos and chiros. Now the course itself is divided into two components. Part A is a 2-day course focusing on an introduction to needling, and part 2 is a 3-day course focusing on medical acupuncture. So in the first part of the course we introduce the concepts of dry needling, we look at safety considerations, how to effectively needle, and then we focus predominantly on pain reduction and the treatment of trigger points. And what we're trying to do is to learn how to use this modality and incorporate it into your own therapy. So we have a clinical reasoning approach throughout the course, saying, well, why are we using these points? When would we use these points? How would we modify them? Etc., etc. So it is an evidence-based course looking at where the evidence is strong, where the evidence is weak, looking at the types of conditions that we would use in those scenarios. And that introductory course, the 2-day course, can either be taken as a standalone or it can be taken combined with the additional 3-day program, which is the second part of the course on medical acupuncture. And what we do there is we take 50 of the 360 odd acupuncture points. We learn their precise location, we learn their usage. Again, we're applying an evidence-based practice. We're using clinical reasoning, sound clinical reasoning throughout the course, and we're focusing on musculoskeletal conditions alone. So we're only learning the points which we would use to treat musculoskeletal conditions. And then in addition, in that second part of the course, we're looking at more advanced or different dry needling techniques. So needling for tendons, periosteal needling, etc. And what we're doing over that 5-day program is introducing a whole concept of the various different types of needling, whether it's dry needling, whether it's acupuncture, how we combine these, when we would use them, and importantly, when we shouldn't use them. So the course itself is accredited by the Sport Therapy Association for Sport Therapists and by the Acupuncture Association of Chartered Physiotherapists for Physios. So that's the 5-day medical acupuncture and dry needling course. I hope to see you there.